Okay, before we do the gold dusting, see down here at the bottom, when I pulled it off of the cardboard, it made, it took some of the buttercream with it. So I just have a bag of buttercream here, no tip on it. And I just want to fill in that area. And if you just kind of go like this, it'll look like the pages. It'll just be, you know, lines like the pages were. Just clean that little piece up right there. Okay, so now I have a soft brush here. Okay, see, it's a pretty soft brush. And then this is just some gold dust. It's the non-toxic 24 karat gold dust. It's really for highlighting only, but we use it anyway. Kind of up to you whether you want to use that or not. You know, they're non-toxic dusting powders. You could also use the AmeriColor, which is FDA approved, the airbrush color, if you feel that's safer. And then, well, since this is still kind of frozen, if you just lightly brush it, kind of here and there. Now what I could do too, what I probably could have done is this part before I put the black on, which a lot of times I do, but a lot of times I forget to do it too. So I'll just put this down to help protect the black. And if you have an airbrush, you could airbrush this also. Okay, so see, you can brush on the buttercream. It just has to be, you know, pretty solid, frozen, or even in the refrigerator. You can pop it in the refrigerator and then pull it out. And as long as you do it right away, don't let it come back to room temperature. Okay, so I'll just get this gold off here in a minute or two. Okay, so before the book cover gets too hard, what I want to do is right in here, make this little line down here. So I'm supporting this because there's nothing underneath it, so I have my finger under there, and then just come straight down here. Okay, so that would be the binding part back there. Again, coming out here, I have to support it with my hand. Okay, and then here, do some lines here. You're not going to see all this. The other cake's going to be leaning up against it, so do some lines down there, and we'll do some up here too. Some of them just have at the top of the book, some have the top and the bottom. We'll do both because I'm not sure what's actually going to show up. So, okay, so let me get a couple other things and we'll do that.